Hi! In front of me is Motorola RAZR 30, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. You need to start by opening Devices settings and tapping on Sound and Vibration right away. Then scroll down. Click on Vibration and Haptics and tap on gray switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics in order to activate them. Then you can switch them back on the same way. If you decided to enable them though, you can also adjust vibration for all of those options by tapping on the switchers next to them, like ringtone, notifications, and even media vibration. When you finish, go back, scroll all the way down, and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!